In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Dropbox app on Android. If you've ever wanted a simple way to keep your files, photos, and videos safe and accessible across all your devices, Dropbox is a great choice. It lets you store content in the cloud, access it from anywhere, share links with others quickly, back up important documents, and keep your phone and computer in sync without hassle. Let's get you set up. Start by opening the Google Play Store on your Android phone. This is the official app marketplace for Android, and it's the safest place to download apps. At the top of the Play Store, tap the search bar and type Dropbox. In the results, look for Dropbox, Secure Cloud Storage by Dropbox. Checking the app name and developer helps you avoid lookalike apps and ensures you're getting the real thing. Once you've found it, tap Install. Your phone will download the app and then install it automatically. You'll see a progress indicator. Just give it a moment to complete. A strong internet connection can speed this up, and it's fine to use Wi-Fi or mobile data, whichever you prefer. When the installation finishes, tap Open to launch the app. The first screen will prompt you to sign in or create an account. If you already have a Dropbox account, use those credentials to sign in. If you're new to Dropbox, choose the option to create an account and follow the on-screen prompts. This will give you your own secure space in the cloud so your files stay backed up and easy to reach. Before you install, it's a good idea to make sure you're logged into the correct Google account in the Play Store. You can confirm this by checking the profile icon at the top right of the Play Store. Installing from the official Google Play Store and the right account helps keep your apps organized and your purchases or subscriptions in one place. Now that Dropbox is ready, you can upload photos and documents from your phone, access the same files on your computer or tablet, and share links with classmates, coworkers, or friends without sending large attachments. It's especially helpful for backing up important items like IDs, receipts, or project files, so you're covered if you switch devices or need something on the go. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded the Dropbox app on Android. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the convenience of having your files securely with you wherever you are.